So what's the weather?
In Seattle, it's 47 degrees Fahrenheit with rain. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 55 degrees and a low of 47 degrees.
Yep, it's raining, and we're still gonna go look at a new RV. Are you ready? Let's do this. There's no question about it. It's going to be a wet day. Before I go check out the RV, though, I'm going to grab some breakfast at one of my favorite spots. So a great breakfast to start the day. Now it's time to hit the road and go check out an RV. I kind of feel like I need to do one of those goofy videos that I see all over Instagram. Let's try it. I'm from Seattle. When it rains, it rains. I'm from Seattle. When it rains, it's just another day. You go outside. I'm from Seattle. If you go outside with an umbrella, you're not from Seattle. I'm from Seattle. Getting wet, it's what we do 250 days a year. I'm from Seattle. Yeah, it's raining. So what? We're still gonna go check out an RV. I'm from Seattle. You got a problem with that? Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and we are on our way to check out an RV. Now, it is raining, it is Seattle, and that's not going to stop me from continuing my search for my next new to me RV. And in this case, we are actually starting out with a rig down in Tacoma. Now, I've been searching online a lot, looking at a lot of different options, and I saw this RV the other day. It is a Tioga by Fleetwood, and what's unique about this particular RV is that it is under 30 feet, about 26 feet, and it is on a used car lot. Now, normally you look for RVs at an RV place, maybe a private party, but every now and then, just a random car lot will get an RV, and that's the case here with this particular RV. So let me fill you in a little bit about what we're going to do. We're going to Tacoma, again, about 45 minutes to longer because of the rain from Seattle. And we're going to look at a Class C RV. Now, I've been showing you a lot of Class Bs because I really do like Class Bs. The one thing that is key for me as I look for whatever my next new to me RV is going to be is that I wanted it under 30, ideally under my last RV, which was the Winnebago Sightseer, aka the Death Star. That was 29 feet. So I'm looking to get inside that 26 feet certainly is. This is a 2005, I believe again it is a Tioga by Fleetwood. Not real familiar with Fleetwood, so another reason why I wanted to come down and take a look at this. So 2005, it has about 80,000 miles on it. So, you know, the mileage isn't too bad. And when you look at their website, and they have a real good website with a lot of different pictures, you know, the rig looks clean. But again, I'm not really familiar with Fleetwood rigs. I'm a Winnebago guy. If this was maybe a Winnebago Spirit, something like that, I'd have a little bit more confidence in it because I know the Winnebago brand. But this is a great opportunity to go check out something that I think might work out for me. What I've noticed over the years is every now and then one of these lots will get an RV on it and they try to sell it off right away. I don't know how much they are familiar with the RV, so you know, I'm checking this out. They do have a Carfax for it, so at some point if I were going to go down the road and really seriously consider, you know, picking up this RV, you know, I'd want to check that Carfax. I'd probably want to see if I could take it to an RV technician to get it looked out. But you know, we'll see. The other thing that's interesting about this particular rig is that it's listed at just under 25,000, which means there's probably some wiggle room to even go down further. Again, if I were going to go with this particular unit, I would try to negotiate down as far as I could go. I do have some money to put down, which would help, and then I would try to pay this thing off as quickly as possible. So the adventure continues. You know, we've been looking at Class Bs. Now we're going to look at Class C. I'm taking you with me. Okay, so we are here. I just saw the rig being pulled out, so we're gonna go take a look at it. Hopefully this will be an interesting option. If anything, it'll be a great way to check out another RV. This one, a Class C Tioga by Fleetwood, and 26 feet. So let's go check it out. So this is the 2005 Fleetwood Tioga. Outside, you know, not bad shape. No delamination on it. Inside, they had done some mods that I wasn't particularly in love with, but they did have a queen size bed, which is really nice. No slide, so you don't have to worry about that. All in all, just a marginal rig for me. Interesting rig. I don't know if this is the one. It looks like there's some solar on top. We'll see. Let's keep looking around at this one. Now the big thing for me, I wanted to get up on top of the roof, and it's a good thing I did. Take a look at this. This bad boy is going to need an entire new roof, and I am familiar with that. So I kind of have mixed emotions about the Fleetwood. What's interesting is right behind me, they have a Travato. So we're going to take a look at that too. So this is a 2016 Winnebago Travato 59K. It's diesel. It has the twin beds in the back. It was in pretty decent shape, but I thought it was a little highly priced at $90,000 for 2016. Okay. You know, it's interesting. On the lot, they had the Tioga by Fleetwood. They also had a Travato, which they're looking at, I think about 90. It's a 2016. Don't know that I'd want to go 90 on a 2016. This particular rig, there are some issues. Let's go try and grab some coffee first and talk a little about it. talk a little bit about that Class C Tioga by Fleetwood. You know, I think they want 25. Maybe they get it down a little bit further, but not much. You know, on the outside, it's not bad. It's 2005, 80,000 miles. You know, it's a used RV, almost, what, 20 years old, 20 or 19 years old. You know, inside it's nice. They did a mod over the bed, which would be over the, you know, the driving area. They put some cabinetry there. I'm not a big fan of the cabinetry, so I probably want to take that out. They did install some solar, not a lot. And then, you know, the rest of the rig for the most part looked clean inside. They had a queen bed in the back, and there are no slides on this, so you can fit a queen bed there. The interesting part is they have this sliding glass where it looks like it is the closet, but when you open it up, there's only about 4 inches of hanging space in there. So I don't know why they even did that. It's not even really a closet. The big concern for me is when I went up on the roof. You know, I don't know how many of you know this, but in my Winnebago Sightseer, aka the Death Star, I had a roof literally kind of blow off, and I had to put on a new roof. Okay, I just came in from outside and my roof, oh my God, my roof is coming off. So with having roof experience, seeing what it looked like up there, there's a lot of tape. There's some tape onto the skylights. That rig is going to need a new roof. Salesman tried to, you know, tell me, oh, it's only going to be about $1,500 to maybe $2,000 to fix that all up, and no. You're looking at about 7 to 10 for that roof, without a doubt. So for me, when you add up all of that, and you see the price that they're at, I don't think that that's the rig for me. Interestingly enough, on the lot, they did have a Winnebago Travato. It was a 2016. It is the K model, so it has the split, the twin beds in the back. You know, again, that Class B is a nice size. They wanted 90 for it. I don't see it as 90 at 2016. But again, as I think about Class Bs, if I go up to a Class B, you know, I'm really going to be in that, you know, 80 to 90 range, maybe 70. So if I go Class B, I have to just prepare myself for that. Unfortunately, I don't think the Fleetwood Tioga is for me, but it was good to come down and see it and continue the search for whatever is going to be next for me. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. So no matter what, make sure you're doing your due diligence. Check out your RV. Make sure it fits what you want. And then once you find it, pull the trigger and get your next new to you RV whenever possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.